in my previous video, I spoke about the fact that Rakul, the actress, has a cute little vlog channel. But if you were to look at a vlogging channel that is like really like with amazing editing and background music and all, it is Jacqueline Fernandez, the Bollywood actress. Her vlogging channel is also once, I mean, it's an experience just seeing her vlogs. And that's what, in the same way, Alia Bhatt and in fact even Disha Patani, has her vlogging channel. But yeah, this is already, it's just a half a minute video, but I felt Jacqueline Fernandez, she gives us a glimpse into her life, into her family, and the kind of dynamics and the fact that all of them together as a group went to get a tattoo done. So that was really something. It was all shot in Sri Lanka, I think. But really, people, so try and check it out. It's just Jacqueline Fernandez. And the reason I'm saying this is, of course, so these are celebrities. They have like millions of subscribers and all. But I feel like among celebrities also, certain stars have really good channels that one should follow. So Jacqueline Fernandez is one of them. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.